What do you have to say about today? Alan, we gotta have a half done in
when they're done. And like Carter rolling out with layup. And he misses because he's ass. Basket over Trey.
You gotta do the broadcasting thing. Owen and JJ are the coaches. You beat it.
JP rolling out. JP gets his ass again. Oh! Hey, he did the fake! Hey! 1-0, hit the gritty, Carter. Hey. What do you think how you're playing right now? After you guys are down 2-1, how do you think you're playing? How are you gonna turn this game around?
Listen. I did not grow up a basketball American. I am not a basketball American. I'm a passionate, I'm an active shooter. But we're gonna come back, all right?
Come back.
Third quarter, we're coming back.
What's the score? What's the finishing score?
It's 9-3 us right now, but yeah. Okay. Just because they scored 3 does not mean 99 points does not exist, all right?
All right, I got you. Go ahead, do it.
1-0. 1-0.
Oh! Team Stretch Dick up 1-0. Team Minecraft head going out. Ah! And Jack! Think that one. What do you think of that one?
Oh yeah, that was good. I like that.
Anyways, Jack going out. With the... Oh! Oh! Coach is going crazy on the sideline.
Come on, guys.
Jack rolling out with layup.
Time out.
Oh, good pass to Jeff. And he bricked. Coach is happy.
Come on, guys. Play defense. Good defense. Hey, great defense.
Oh, Carter with the spin move, and he loses it. Carter got banana peels his hands. And coach is leaving after that. Oh, with the spin.
Some work out of these boys.
Oh, and he loses it. And it's saved by the coach. Coach MVP.
Come on, guys, let's go. Off me. It is.
Jack. With the pass. Oh, and he airballs.
He touched it.
That's incredible. Coach, what are you teaching them?
Owen, watch your head.
You guys don't know.
Oh, Jack. What do you think of the gameplay from your boys?
Dude, I think it's okay. I think we have a lot of stuff to work on. Probably gonna be running
Score by 76. 2-0.
probably about 120 lines when we get to practice. Probably lightweight. I'm beating my meat. I'm stroking my meat. I got lotion on my dick, bro. I got cum on my dick, bro. I don't know how to beat it anymore, bro.
Transition back to the game. The game. Time again. Stretchy dicks up. Oh, Stretchy dicks up 2-0.
Hey, I need some energy, boys. Get on defense.
And Stretchy dicks
Where's
up.
the defense on that?
Stretchy.
Michael Jordan's daughter.
Stretchy dicks up 2-1.
I am Kobe Bryant's daughter. My name is Fiona.
Hey, you are not Kareem.
Travel.
Oh my god. Is that Gigi?
With the travel. Airball. What do you
Coach is not happy.
Where's the planning? Come on, guys. We need to think about this. Like, I'm just gonna rape your daughters. I say we put it on 8 foot.
Trey going up.
Where are you looking?
And Chubb
Get that.
misses.
Listen to the game
Kick
plan.
that out.
Kick it out. Game plan, all right? Game plan. Harder, push. Game plan. Don't let him get out. Kick out. Game plan, guys.
Oh, Jack loses.
Defense up, JP. Keep it. Step back. Hey. Do that. Hey, watch. Defense.
Kick
Kick out! Kick out! No, block! Yeah, block back! JP, block back!
And he misses.
You're up, the team.
Stretchy dicks are up 2-1. You want to have halftime? 2-1. You want to
All right, JP, how do you feel about that game?
What game? I don't really give a crap. I actually don't. Like, I'm not a good basketball player, and Jack, I don't know. He's better than me. I don't really care, though.
Trey, how do you feel about that?
Now, that was a tough loss, all right? You know, we tried our hardest. We did our best. We did everything we could. They just kept blocking our shots. We kept missing ours. We kept laying bricks down, all right? Next year, we're going to come
We
back.
kept traveling.
We're going to come back, and we're going to win, all right? We're going to come back, we're going to win, all right? We're getting that championship, all right? Just a little bit better, you know. We could have done things a little bit better, a little bit different, a little more practice. We'll be out here again. We're gonna score, all right?
How do you feel about this statement, Coach?
You're banned.
You know, I think what Coach is trying to say there is that, you know, like, he's doing the best he can. We're just not competing, all right? What? No, he's coach. What are you? I'm a player here.
Get off my team. You're gone.
Performance today.
Dude, when I saw my team, they were just like trying to get some highlights. They didn't even care about the game. They just cared about the highlights, man. That was no team. That was a bunch of dyslexic kids on a bus, all right? Riding them straight to loser town, all right, man? I do not support this team. I fire every member on that team. I quit as a coach. I'm joining the basketball team. I can be better than those basketball players right there because they tried to dunk on Jack every time and he blocked him every time. That's why everybody's fired. Quit the game. Put the cameras on.
Coach, how do you feel about that win?
I felt like our players did pretty good. They decided to pull out in the end, and a couple of players after the game on the other team might need a wheelchair.
I agree. Carter, how do you feel about that game?
I feel like I didn't get the ball. My teammate thinks he's Kobe, but he's really not. Little do they know, I got the genes of John Morant, bro. Best shooter in the game, bro. I swear. All right, pass it on to Kobe.
All right, Jack. How do you think you did?
Well, I wasn't passing as much as I should have. I was being a very selfish teammate, and I'm very sorry to my teammate here. But I got the block of the year. I'm going into the Hall of Fame, and be ready because we're going to win the championship.
I agree.